Look at the sky.
I think so. This is for my parents. I can't zoom in with this phone. I have other video on my real phone. But there's a serious disagreement in these trees here. Unfortunately, on the other side, there are multiple nests in this series of trees. And very huge heron-like birds. See, this one just chilling, not bothered by the noise at all. But there's several nests. Hey, look at you. Anyways, they were squabbling so bad I thought it was a broken down boat. But we need to go now, so I have to say goodbye to the really noisy birds.